Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the currency in your Xnest account. First, open your Xnest personal area and log in. Go to My Accounts at the top left. Important, you can't change the currency of an account that has already created. Xnest does not allow currency changes on existing accounts. So instead, you need to create a new trading account. Click Open New Account or choose a demo account for example. Select your account type, then Continue. Here, you'll see the currency option. Tap it and choose the currency you want, like Euro, USD, or others. Finish the setup and create the account. Once the new account is created, it will now use the currency you selected. And that's it. That's how to change the currency in your Xnest account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.